Hi guys, welcome to Shaka channel guys. So guys, I'm discuss very important topic about that. A lot of people asking this question about Instagram. So I'm using Instagram. How we can update for the Instagram stories and desktop option. So the desktop option, how we can adding for Instagram stories. So that is called nothing using for any kind of tools or nothing is required. The simple method we have to follow here. The method will be here. Log in your Instagram. If you add any Instagram stories, the design will be selecting 1080 by 1080. The compulsory will be select. After this one, if you are posting any stories on your Facebook or any option will be there. But Instagram, how we can upload by the stories? This small option is there. Log in Instagram your desktop. Selecting option will be extra option. Here click for more tool. Click option will be developer tools. This is a small option will be given. Add the story method. Selecting for developer story in the tools is given by the mobile version. In this mobile, you can select in the particular mobile version. I'm selecting for iPhone X. Now you can go will be refresh. After refresh, here that enable by the story button. Simple option, go to here, click for more tool. The option name is called developer tools will be here. The developer tool is the more important option. In this, we can selecting here. So I'm already discussed. The size will be exactly 1080 by 1080. So I'm selecting for 1080 by 1080 here in this. If we now selected, go with the option here, select exactly position. Now click for post. So what are the selection option? Automatic size will be here. After click for add story option. The story will be visible only for mobile users, but we can add it for desktop by showing for mobile user also. Now you can select it. Check for your story option will be in this. So clear? So now how much story will be added? That all will be depend on your particular pixel option. So here in this. So which pixel you can add properly? Add the pixel. Select here. Now here. Select the proper size in this and you can post in for option. Not suitable, discard it. So proper size will be select and post it. So in this proper size will be post your option. So what the size will be 1080 by 1080 you can select by the option here. See this. So what are the size? Responsive. Select it. Here select option. So here is the option will be here like that. Will be posting will be option like this. So where you can check the story is updated or not. The check will be story updated will be in the Instagram Facebook Creator Studio. So what are the content you sharing and story button? They visible by here is the option. So it is the showing will be here. This will be adding the your particular story option in a particular Instagram position. So simple, select your more tools, click for developer tools. Here selecting for options are here. Based on option, size will be selected will be in this. The exercise you can design and post your content. 411 to 731. So what other size will be here? You can use the particular size will be in your particular option. So fit the window 150 post option, selecting share. You can check will be here and the post the content. So this all option will be 50, 100, discard. So this is the method we can follow. Update the story will be in a particular developer tool option. Here also will be post the content of image also will be accepted. Now post here, click for next and add your content, post on it. So I'm adding the content here. The suitable two option, Instagram post. Second thing will be Instagram stories. The particular size you can select. So you can post, click for share it. They only done by your Instagram post. Properly you can do it. The pixel selection is more important in here. So you can post lot of images, not only one or two images. Yeah. Select next, upload the content here. Without using any tools, we have to post the content by using developer tool option. Any browser will be flexible to use this option. No need any kind of tools, a third party extension, Facebook Creator Studio, nothing required. Right, we can post in Instagram stories and your post option. Just go to more tools, developer tools, set your option will be according to your settings. Select the multiple settings are there, which size will be comfortable, post your content. Once this close option, automatically will go for back. So this is happening for your posting Instagram stories by using browser. The option name is called developer tools. This regarding anyone is facing problem, you can ask me Digital Architect channel. I definitely will be support. I will be post the content. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.